People are making serious money designing on Framer. This guy makes $12K per month when he started selling Framer templates, and within 18 months, he's already made over $250,000. Companies are also seeing serious growth with Framer. This company migrated from Bubble to Framer, and were able to improve their Google ranking from 6th to 2nd position, and their website loads 75% faster. Framer is the #1 no-code design tool designers and marketers are using to ship modern websites fast without waiting for developers. They are used by companies of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. Companies you know and love like DoorDash, Hurl, Zapier, Perplexity, Razorpay, the NBA, Dribbble, and many more. I learned Framer in less than a month and was so hooked that I started building my new websites and landing pages on it. I've seen companies migrating from WordPress, Webflow, and even Next.js, all in favor of Framer. Framer is the new standard for building modern sites, and if you wish to check it out at any point in the video, you can click on the first link in the description below. It is free to use, and you can design as much as you want without paying anything. You only upgrade to a paid plan when you need to add a custom domain. On the money side, Framer is also one of the few companies that go the extra mile in encouraging you to make money with their tool. They gave away $100,000 in cash prizes last year and are currently giving away $1 million this year for those who meet their money goals with Framer. Now you may want to ask, how can mastering Framer change your life and business in the coming years? Well, it's relatively new with a lot of hype around it. And with any new professional tools like this, there's always a first mover advantage. Imagine being one of the first people making themes and plugins for WordPress. You may have become a household name in the WordPress community. Well, that's exactly what's going to happen if you tap into the Framer ecosystem now. And some people are already doing so. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie with no audience. This guy started with 0 followers, and he shared on X how he went from nothing to making $11,500 in 60 days using Framer. He shared the steps he took and showed the proof that he truly made that amount of money. So in this video, I'll explain what exactly is Framer and why you should build your website on it. I'll show you examples of sites created on it, and if you are a designer or a developer, I'll give you 5 ways to make serious money using Framer. If you are ready, let's get started. Framer is a powerful no-code website builder that lets you create beautiful, interactive websites without needing to write a single line of code. Think of it like a merger between a design tool and a website creator. You can drag, drop, and style elements just like in Canva or Figma. But the result is a real, live, responsive website. It's perfect for you if you want a modern, professional-looking site with animations and motion effects without hiring a developer. Framer is already chasing the likes of Webflow in Google Trends, and they are currently valued at $2 billion after a Series D funding in August. Framer has a gallery showcasing stunning websites built with their platform. And if you are a founder, marketer, or a designer considering using Framer, I'd love to show you 3 of my favorite examples that show just how powerful and flexible this tool can be. This website is for a parenting app called Maggie. When you visit the website, you are greeted with their cute logo before the website is loaded. I like the way the hero section is laid out with bold font and vibrant colors. As soon as I scroll down, the 3 phones that are stacked together split apart to show the app content. Then there's another section with a bold copy and small images of kids in line with the text, which reacts on hovering. When you scroll down further, you'll see a cute-looking emoji which appears on top of other sections. This effect is known as parallax effect, and it is achieved using scroll speed animation on Framer. You will also notice that the eyes follow my mouse as I'm hovering on it in every direction, and the section also has baby stickers you can click and drag as you like. You can move them as you want, and this can be applied using the drag effect on Framer. It is a bit playful but delivers the tone of this brand. The drag effect is also used on Miro, which is a whiteboard platform for visual collaboration. Their hero section is straightforward. They want you to enter your email address and sign up. But if you wish to explore more and scroll down a bit, you will see a section where they are showing you that you can go from idea to outcome in seconds. The whiteboards move and connect together as you scroll, but you can also click and drag them around as you want. You will also notice some tags which have profile names and pictures, showing you they are a collaboration-first platform. You can also check out this portfolio website. The designer used a dangling key for the hero section that swayed on their own, but when you hover your mouse on them, they interact with your movement. They all link to different types of work he does, and when you scroll down, you will find this card which turns as you hover on it. He also has these stack of cards to show their featured works, and it gives some olden days vibe. Now, this design might not necessarily work in a conversion-focused website, but is a good way for the designer to show their ability, and Framer allows them to do this easily. Now, if you want to create these types of sites for your business, you can start with a template for a quicker and cheaper approach. You will find hundreds of quality templates from the Framer marketplace in different categories, both free and paid. You can also check out FramerBite, which is a standalone Framer template site, and I will drop all these links in the description below this video. Alternatively, if you want a done-for-you approach, you can hire Framer designers on sites like Contra or on Framer Experts. Framer feels a lot like Figma, which means it is very easy to learn, unlike Webflow. And if you've built websites on tools like Figma or WordPress before, you can start creating awesome interactive sites on Framer within a week. All you need is to reverse engineer some of the free templates on the Framer marketplace. Look at how they are built, rebuild them from scratch, and you will get up to speed in no time. But if you are completely new to website designing, there are 2 routes you can take to learn Framer. The first one is to start with the Framer Academy. They have highly polished tutorials and courses, from the Framer Fundamentals to the Animation and Interaction series, SEO in Framer, and many more. When you are done with that, look for long tutorials on YouTube about building websites in Framer and build along with the tutor. You will see tutorials like these from Design Code, Framer University, and many other creators. All these are free and shouldn't take you more than 2 weeks to complete. The second route you can take is to get a Framer course. This is obviously a paid route, but it means you will get everything in a place with more organized steps on your way. I can recommend 2 Framer courses I've taken. One of them is Framer Beginner to Pro, taught by a Framer expert named Firdavs Abdunazarov. This is a good place to start as it is very affordable. You will learn the basics of Framer, and you will see him tackling a full project from scratch, with multiple pages, blogs, CMS, animations, and many more. The second one is the Ultimate Framer Masterclass. It is taught by Ryan Hayward of Insert Frame, and it is a complete guide that shows you how to build 3 different websites in Framer. He also starts with the fundamentals and walks you all the way up to the advanced levels. I will drop the link to both of these courses in the description below for you to check them out. There are many ways to make money with Framer, but these are the 5 ways I've seen people making serious money with it. Number 1. Build websites for clients. I'm here on Contra where you can work with clients and see the earnings of other designers. Adriano Reis has made over $100,000 from the US as a Framer expert. Praha has also made the same from India, and we have Goran Babarogic from Serbia, which shows that location is not a barrier from selling Framer sites to clients. In fact, many of my homies here in Nigeria have made upward of $50,000 and more. Framer is becoming a go-to tool for startups, agencies, and personal brands that want beautiful, responsive websites fast. And if you can design and build in Framer, you can charge premium rates for a full-service site creation, which is anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on scope of the project. So sign up as a freelancer and share your works on Contra, Framer Expert, Upwork, and Fiverr. You should also share your journey on X, where a lot of potential clients hang out and often look for Framer designers. Number 2. Sell Framer templates. I shared a snippet of Hamza's story at the start of this video, who has made multiple 6 figures selling Framer templates. Well, he also started working with clients and tried building Framer templates on the side. Around April of last year, he decided to quit client work and focus on creating quality Framer templates. That happened to be a great decision, as he's currently making 5 figures per month, which he always shared on his X account. He's not the only one making money selling templates, as you may have guessed. In fact, if you go to the Framer marketplace, you will find hundreds of templates that are being sold every day. The beauty of selling templates is that it is a form of passive income compared to freelancing. You do the work once and make money for months and even years to come. The Framer marketplace is not too crowded, but the team is quite strict when it comes to accepting the templates you submit. This keeps the marketplace of high standards, and it means that if your design is accepted, you have higher chances of getting sales. So follow their template requirements very well, and make sure your templates stand out from the crowd, and not some generic designs put together. Another thing I'm noticing from many designers recently is that they are not relying solely on the Framer marketplace for their traffic and exposure. Rather, they are creating their own website with good SEO for Google traffic, and they are also promoting it on X. I've seen this from Anatoly Dmitrienko, who owns Templifika.com, Teodor Ilyev, who owns WheezyTemplates.com, Ludovic Lasko, who owns Minimum.supply, and many others. There are many success stories from designers selling Framer templates, which you can find on X, and as Nandi from Framer University put it, you can literally have no social media presence, put together a solid Framer template in 2 weeks, put it on the Framer marketplace, and make up to $4,000 per month passively from template sales. Number 3. Join the Framer Partner Program. Framer has a good affiliate program that converts well. Whenever anyone buys a Framer plan using your link, you will get 50% commission of their subscription for 12 months. I also have an affiliate link for Framer, by the way, and it will be helpful for the channel if you sign up through it. You can do so by clicking on the first link in the description below. Many marketers and designers usually share their Framer affiliate earnings on X. This is Ludovic sharing his affiliate stats, where he has made over 30,000 all-time earnings, with 7,000 coming in the month of September alone. The Framer Partner Program is actually broader than the affiliate program. You can join the program for free to sell on their marketplace and keep 100% of your earnings. This can be templates, plugins, components, or vectors. And whenever you sell a template and the buyer pays for a Framer plan, or you create a website for your client and the client pays for a subscription, you will get up to 50% commission for a whole year, similar to sharing your affiliate link. Number 4. Create Framer plugins. This one is a bit technical but more rewarding. With every tool out there, there will always be a way to add more functionalities that their users will need. This usually comes in the form of integrations, extensions, or plugins, and it's a great way to build a team or start your own small company. Framer's plugin ecosystem is growing fast and is still underserved, and with many plugins being sold as subscriptions, it is a great way to earn recurring income. A popular Framer plugin you can check out is Framer Commerce, which integrates Framer with Shopify for e-commerce functionalities. You can also check the team at Insert Frame to see what they are creating. They have many plugins that Framer users enjoy, such as Framer Forms, Frameship, Video Frame, and more. Number 5. Teach Framer to others. If you understand how to design in Framer, there's nothing stopping you from teaching it to others. You can teach on social media such as TikTok or X. You can start a YouTube channel about Framer, or create online courses teaching Framer. Few creators are doing this, so there's still a lot of opportunities in this space, and you don't need to be an expert. You can start with the little you know, and the more you teach, the better you become in handling Framer projects. The beautiful thing about creating tutorials is that people will trust you better, and it will be easier to create and sell paid products, including templates, courses, and more. Don't forget to use my affiliate link below this video to sign up for Framer if you haven't done so, and if you want to check out the best AI website builders, click on this video. And if you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.